Hey friends, so many colorful insects are here. Oh no, they ran away. Let's bring them home with some colors. This little crawler looks ready for some color. Hey cutie, what color is perfect for it? Blue first. The head and those wiggly legs need some blue. Go on and brush, brush, brush the head. Can you tell how many legs does it have? That's right, 8 legs. And the next color is, say it with me, red. Red's for the rest of the legs and the round body. Did you know that this insect glows under special light? How cool is that? They spin some silk webs that shine in the sun. They catch their dinner with those strong webs. All done! Look at this colorful crawler. It's Spider. Let's find the spider's home. Nope, not that one. Try again. Yay! The right match. Whoa, look at this jumpy friend. It's ready for some green. Green for the head, wings, and long legs. This insect can leap 20 times their body length. That's like jumping over a whole school bus. Wow, so cool. Next color is bright and shiny. Yep, it's yellow. This insect blends into tall grass to hide from the birds. They love to munch on leaves all day long. Look how bright it is now. Say hello to grasshopper. Let's find its spot. Nope. No again. Yes, perfect fit. Look who's sliding in so slowly, with light blue. This color goes on its squishy body and wiggly feelers. This insect doesn't walk or crawl. It slides. They love to come out when it rains. Now it's time for yellow. This color is for its antlers and slimy trail. Next, we're gonna swirl some fun colors for the shell. Pink. The shell is their home, and they carry it on their backs. They never forget it. It grows with them. It looks kind of twisty, right? So cute. What color matches pink for the fun shell? How about light green? Light green is pretty and calm, and surely as fun as pink. Wow, it looks like a rainbow snail from a fairy garden. Looks ready for some slow adventure. Can you name this insect? Yes, it's snail. Let's find its puzzle spot. Is it here? Nah. Yes, right there. Moving on the next paint pot. Open it up. Dark blue. Ooh, something tiny and buzzy is here. This bug is super light. It can fly even after a raindrop hits it. This little flyer loves warm, cozy places, just like us. What color is next? Let's say it together. Red! For the body that zooms through the air. That's one colorful bug. Light blue! Its wings are so thin and shiny. They can flap faster than your blinking eyes. They flap up to 600 times a second. That's what makes the buzz sound. The next color is yellow. And it's for the pointy sting. Don't touch it. This buzzy insect is mosquito. Time to find its home. Here? Oops, not that one. One more try. Check mark. The mosquito is home. Let's grab some light brown. What's this tiny crawler? This bug lives underground in cozy tunnels. They're great diggers and super hard workers. They march here and there, creating long lines. Never stop moving. They're always on the go. Brown. Time to color those busy legs and that strong body. These bugs talk by bumping into each other with their feelers. Let's say this bug's name with me. Ant. It's marching to the puzzle board. That's not its home. Not this either. Whoopsie. Yes, green check. Ant found its home. Next, we have the color. Pink for the next bug. Whoa! Look at those big horns! What is this bug's name? Do you know? This bug's shell is super strong, like tiny armor. And for the horns, we'll color them black. These horns are actually their giant jaws for play fights. These bugs are strong and can lift objects way heavier than themselves. We call this bug stag beetle. Up it goes to the puzzle board. Wrong one. Wrong again. Ding, ding, ding. Our stag beetle fits perfectly. Grab turquoise paint and color this wriggly bug. Can you believe that this bug has so many legs? Up to 16. They use all those legs to climb and hold on to leaves. Light purple. Next, light purple for that little bump near the head. Let's give some pink for one part of the stomach, cheeks, and nose. We have one stomach part and feet to color. And yellow is the perfect one. This bug goes to a long sleep. Then they turn into beautiful butterflies. Yes, it's the caterpillar. Now it's crawling to find its home in the puzzle. Oops, wrong spot. That's the one. Bravo, little wiggler. Whoa, light blue is coming next. Paint those wings. Flutter, flutter. This insect zips around so fast. For the little nose, tiny feet, and round back, let's give them red. Those big bulging eyes help spot food super fast, even while flying. Gray. Do you know what's cool about this bug? It can fly backward and upside down. Super cool, right? Our speedy little bug is fly. It's looking for its puzzle spot. Here? Nope. Not this one either. There, perfect match. Something shiny's flying by. Let's grab the color. Yellow. This bug can snack in the sky. It eats tiny bugs while flying. But the baby bugs don't live in the sky. They swim underwater until they grow up. The next color is for the long, fluttery wings. Blue! They sparkle like glass in the sunlight. The wings also flap super fast, like tiny helicopter blades. These bugs are super, super old. They've been flying since before dinosaurs. This beautiful bug is dragonfly. Let's help dragonfly find its puzzle spot. Wrong spot! Yay! The dragonfly found its spot. Ooh, look at this tiny round spotty bug. Let's paint it red. This particular bug has 2 sets of wings. One set for flying and a hard red shell to protect them. Bright color and spots warn the birds. Don't eat me, I'm not tasty. Smart move, little bug. Now time for black. Dots, legs, and little feelers. These dots make each bug look super unique. Can you count the dots? This bug has 6 tiny legs. They can tickle if one walks on your hand. Have you seen this bug before? Beige. This is perfect for the face. This bug also loves to nap in flowers when it's sunny. When is your favorite time to nap? Say this bug's name out loud. Ladybug. Nice job. Let's fit this spotty bug into the right spot. Not here. There it goes. Next one starts with light blue for the wings. They help this bug zip from flower to flower. Now time for the stripes. What color? Orange like pollen. Those stripes are used for warning. Stay back. I'm busy. They're busy helping make fruits and veggies by spreading pollen. They live in a hive. They make honey and work together. They make a buzz sound when they fly too. Our buzzy friend is bee. Little bee is ready to fly home. Buzz, buzz. That's its puzzle home. Perfect. Let's try purple is for the wings. Just around the edges. This bug has beautiful wings. The wings are super light, lighter than a feather. This bug loves warm sunshine too. Give them more bright colors. Red, bright like garden flowers. This bug loves flowers that are red, orange, or yellow. They spot them fast. These bright wings help them find friends and scare away other bug. What a clever little trick. Add a touch of yellow for the dots. They look like little polka dots of sunshine. A little beige for the face. Oh yeah, these bugs don't have mouths or teeth, only their long tongue for sipping. Our fluttery friend is butterfly. Let's fit the butterfly in the puzzle. Perfect landing. Look, all the insects are home in their puzzle spots. So bright, so colorful, and so happy. You made them beautiful. Good job. Bye-bye for now.